What's up, it's Jeffrey. In Xi'an at lunchtime, the locals will always recommend you to get the Sanqin Taocan. And what is this Sanqin Taocan? It's the Shaanxi triple combo. Let's go and check it out.你好，老板。来一个优质的肉夹馍，一个那个清蒸大米皮，还有一个冰峰。肉夹馍、凉皮 and the ice peak soda drink are also known as the Sanqin Taocan, the Shaanxi triple combo. The fattiness of the 肉夹馍 will be annulled by the hot and sour cold noodles. The soda will then wash away the spiciness of those noodles. This combination is a real crowd pleaser in Xi'an, a combo the locals cannot do without. So first of all, we have the 肉夹馍. 肉 means meat, 夹 to add in between, and 馍, this is the bun, the pita bread. Look at the meat in between there. It looks so delicious. So I ordered the 优质的, so a premium burger. Why is it called 肉夹馍 and not 馍夹肉? If it was 馍夹肉 in Shaanxi dialect, that would mean no meat was added. And of course, that wouldn't sell very well, I think. So they have a saying for the 肉夹馍 that goes 虎皮背菊花心. And why is it called 虎皮背? 虎皮背 means tiger skin. So as you can see, the patterns on the side of the bun really look like the tiger skin. Here you can see it more profound. Then 菊花心means chrysanthemum heart. So it refers to the layers of the bread. Very beautiful. Look at that. Now let's wait for the kiln. Secondly, we have the Liangpi, the cold sliced rice noodles. So these type of noodles originate from the province of Shaanxi and were invented to escape from the summer's heat in ancient China. And there are several different ways of making this type of noodles. Today I'm eating the traditional Xian style Liangpi. So enough talking about the Liangpi, and now let's go in for a taste. There's a very distinct bean sprout taste, so very strong. We also have like the celery, the chincai, and of course, look at the oil right there, and the so the chili oil, which makes it very, very spicy, but so refreshing. So I can totally see why people in ancient China would eat it during the summertime. Very aromatic also. Also a bit sour because of there's some vinegar in there. So good. So in addition to the food, you will also need some kind of drink of sorts. So for the Shaanxi triple combo, you will get a soda drink called Bingfeng Ice Peak. And everyone in Shaanxi knows it. It's very famous for its advertisement line on television. 从小就喝它. So from when I was a kid, I started drinking it. I'm so full right now. So this was the Shaanxi triple combo. It was absolutely delicious, and the only way I can describe it actually is to use the Shaanxi dialect. 聊咋了? Super delicious. Hope to see you here soon.